Greetings, time travelers and laundry-doers. Gather around the glow of your screens for a tale of woe and wonder, a narrative of my chronologically confused GE washer from Home Depot. Once upon a modern time, in a kingdom of sparkling appliances, there lived a washer that was destined to spin tales, not clothes. It arrived in my realm, shiny and boasting the future of fabric cleansing. But alas, its destiny was a different one. The plot thickened with each service call, as noble technicians ventured forth into my laundry chamber, armed with tools and puzzled expressions. They poked and prodded, but our washer was steadfast in its refusal to perform. In a twist of fate, a hero emerged from the cupboard beneath the sink, a toilet plunger, valiant and true. With a suction cup as its shield, it battled the stubborn stains the washer left behind. The spectacle of its efforts, dear viewers, is documented in our moving picture show titled The Misadventures of My Time-Traveling GE Washer from Home Depot. Behold the plunging prowess, as I, your laundry bard, recite the epic with each push and pull. Through trials and tribulations, the community gathered, with laughter and camaraderie echoing through the land. For who could resist the charm of a washer that beckoned us back to simpler times when arm strength was mightier than technology? But hark! Let this chronicle serve as a cautionary scroll. If thou seeketh a machine that washeth with water and not just with soul, turn thine eyes away from this GE contraption. A 5-star spectacle for entertainment it may be, yet as a loyal washer, it earns nary a star from me. Home Depot, the merchant of this time-traveling device, has provided all but the service of providing a washer that washes. So, my dear kinsfolk of the internet realm, share this tale, sing songs of this plunger-led adventure, and mayhap choose a different steed for your laundry quests. And now, I bid thee farewell. Should thee wish to subscribe to more chronicles of comedic critique, press thee the subscribe rune below. Share with thy kin and kith, and may your garments ever be spotless and true.